God's strength, my morning coffee. Hi, I'm Robin. If coffee is your survival strategy, raise your mug, but God's strength hits way harder. A message for you. Isaiah 40:31 says those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. God's energy doesn't fade after lunchtime. He's your all-day, no-crash source of power. Something to think about. Start your day with prayer before your caffeine. You'll be surprised how strong your spirit feels. If you needed this reminder, double tap. Follow for weekly faith and fun. Subscribe for your Saturday dose of spiritual caffeine. Ready to lead with purpose and peace? Join me at TLR Coaching. Faith, leadership, real life. Follow for faith-based leadership insights.